Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a current favourites video for you. I have quite a few things that I'm really loving at the moment. I haven't done a monthly favourites in a while, so I thought I wanted to do one of these videos, share all the things that I've been enjoying with you. So let's get straight into it. Okay, first off guys, I have been loving, and when I say loving, I mean I cannot get enough of this stuff. I've been wearing it every single day. I'm wearing it now. It is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Illuminating CC Cream. I didn't know whether to get the illumination version or the normal one. I hadn't tried either, and my skin can get a little bit oily throughout the day, so I thought the illumination version might be a little bit dangerous, but I wanted to try it anyway, so I bought it and I love it. It doesn't make me look overly dewy, it just gives your skin this gorgeous healthy glow. It's honestly like one of the best things I've ever put on my skin. I love this so much. It's got SPF 50 in, it's anti-aging, it's also got loads of skincare benefits in there, so it's actually working to help your skin, and I just love this for every day. It's quite a thick CC cream. It's more like a foundation than a CC cream, but it just goes on so nicely. I do find this applies better with a beauty blender. It goes on a little bit lighter. I'm also interested in trying their original Your Skin But Better CC cream, and they now have a matte version for oily skin as well. So I would 100% recommend this. I've been wearing it in loads of my videos recently. I've been wearing it in numerous Instagram posts, so you might have noticed me wearing this, and I love it. Another product that I have been obsessed with over the past couple of months is the NARS Climax mascara. I bought this, I don't know, maybe like 2 months ago. It's all I've worn since. Like, I haven't really worn any other mascaras since I got this. It's lengthening, it's thickening, and it adds volume to your lashes, but they still look really fluttery. I don't know how they do it. You only really need one coat of this, but you can build it up if you want a really dramatic effect. I'm wearing it today and I just have one coat on. It's so amazing. I'm really impressed with this, and this is the only mascara in years that I've actually worn for a night out. I'll insert a picture here of a look that I did, which I wore on a night out. I mean, I'm a lashes girl, you know me. I don't go for natural lashes on a night out. I just feel like lashes finish off your look, but this seemed to work, and I'm very impressed with it. Like I said, I haven't worn any other mascaras since I bought this. Okay, I have a couple of lip products that I've absolutely been loving recently. So this one that I have on right now is the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in Kiss. I've had this a while, I've worn it in numerous videos, but I've just been wearing it quite a lot recently. I think it's such a nice autumn shade. It's just like a gorgeous pinky beigey nude. It looks gorgeous when I'm pale. It also looks beautiful when I have a tan, and it wears off so nicely. It kind of wears off to sort of a Your Lips But Better pinky shade, which is amazing. It literally looks like you've got no lipstick on when this is worn off, but you have. It makes your lips look quite plump as well. You can overline really easily with this because it's matte, but it's not as drying as a liquid lipstick, and I just love this. My other favourite lip combo that I've been wearing non-stop this month, so you've probably seen me wearing this as well, is the Charlotte Tilbury Bond Girl lipstick. It's my perfect autumnal berry kind of brownie shade, but it's got sort of that rosy pink undertone, which I like. They just help to give you a fresh-faced look, and again, this is one that sometimes I just pat on so it looks really natural. It almost looks like I've just naturally got really kind of rosy lips, but also this wears off so nicely and evenly as well. It's almost like a Your Lips But Better colour if you just pat it on, but if you actually swipe it on your lips, it gives you this gorgeous rosy beigey kind of berry colour, and oh, it is so beautiful. I'd had my eye on this for ages. I bought this and Love Liberty. I'd actually had my eye on Love Liberty, which is quite similar to this actually. It's just slightly darker, but I bought this at the same time and I've actually worn this more. It's kind of more of a day-to-day colour for me, and I love it so much. I did end up going back and buying the Bond Girl lip liner as well, just to go with it. I was wearing Crazy in Love by Charlotte Tilbury with it, which goes as well, but it was slightly too dark, so I went and bought Bond Girl, and it's just beautiful. I love the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat lip pencils. They are so easy to overline your lips with. That's kind of what they're made for. It has a matte finish, but it's not drying on your lips, and this is one of her Matte Revolution lipsticks as well. Love these so much. The Matte Revolution lipsticks are my perfect matte formula. They're hydrating, they go on really nicely, they're not too thick, they're unbelievable. On top of my lipsticks, I've mentioned these before, so I won't talk about them too much, but I just love the Glossier Balm.coms. I have the Rosebalm.com on now on top of my Anastasia lipstick. It just adds a little bit of a sheen. It gives me a little bit more hydration when I'm wearing a matte lipstick. Not that I need it, I actually just really like the sheen that it gives. And my favourite is the Rosebalm.com. I also love the Cherrybalm.com. It has an ever so slight red tint, which is so nice. It smells like cherry chapstick, so you'll either love this or you'll hate it. I love it. I think it's so nice. It kind of feels nostalgic to me when I wear it. And I also love the birthdaybalm.com. The reason I'm showing you three is just because on their website they are £10 each, but you can get them for £25 if you buy a bundle of 3, so you get a £5 off, which I do, and I think that's really good value. I also have a 10% off your first order with Glossier. I almost forgot that, but I'll link that down below as well. This is one that I've been loving for night times when I'm getting my glam on. This has been my go-to palette. So this is the Too Faced Then and Now palette. If you haven't seen this, are you ready? Like, brace yourselves, because one, this is absolutely huge. Basically, it's part of Too Faced's 20th anniversary collection. So you've got their 1998 original shades along the top here, and then you've got their 2018 take on the same colours on the bottom row, and I absolutely love the concept. I love Too Faced's eyeshadows. They're such amazing quality, and I created a look with this for a night out actually, and I posted it to my Instagram, so I'll insert it here. But I used this glittery shade, which is called Shady Bitch. I like it. This is an actual glitter. For me, glitter shades in palettes are not usually that glittery. If you want like a full glittery effect, you usually have to go for a glitter, but I love these. Too Faced has done them so well. There is a little bit of fallout with it being a glitter, so I would recommend doing your eyes before your foundation, which is what I did, but I always do that. If I'm doing like a smoky eye or any sort of heavy eye, I always do my foundation last. But this, for me, is just the perfect glam palette. It's so beautiful. You've got a mix of kind of matte shades, you've got your transition shade here, but then you've got some shimmer shades along the top, and then you've got these just gorgeous glitter shades. I love this palette, so I just had to give it a mention. It's so bougie. It is expensive. I think it's like £52, but for me, this is so worth it. If you like to create dramatic looks, or if you just like playing with colours and glitters, this is the one. So on to some beauty bits. I have been loving this mask from BareMinerals. It is their Claymates Mask Duo in Be Pure and Be Dewy. So basically, one side of it is a purifying mask. It's this white side here, and then the pink side is a hydrating mask, which I really like. I just put the pink side around the perimeters of my face, and I've been using the detoxifying side just down my T-zone, and I have been loving this. They're both really thick, so you only need the tiniest amount, and I really like these kind of like duo masks because I do get an oily T-zone, so I do need a deep cleansing mask, but I don't like putting it all over my face. I just feel like it's too drying for the sides of my face, so I really like that it's got the combo. I've really been enjoying using this. I really find that they work as well. It really detoxifies my skin, and this side isn't too hydrating, which I don't like. My skin doesn't like anything that's like too heavy, and this just isn't, but it's nice and gentle. My skin always just feels really glowy and healthy after I've used this, so I thought I would give it a little mention, and it does come with a spatula as well, which I always love. Lastly, I have been loving the Maui Moisture shampoo and conditioner. The ones that I've been using are the Revive and Hydrate Shea Butter ones. They're for dry and damaged hair. I don't have dry or damaged hair. I just love the smell of these. They are amazing. They're not too heavy on my hair though, and my hair always feels so glossy and silky after I've used these. I've really been enjoying them. The smell, oh my word, it's like so tropical. So this has shea butter, coconut oil and macadamia oil in here, and you can just smell the coconut. It smells like a tropical holiday. If you haven't sniffed these, you need to go and give them a sniff. I've heard people with dry hair and curly hair rave about this brand, so if you actually do have dry hair, it's one to try out for sure. And they're made with 100% aloe juice as the first ingredient. They also contain no mineral oils, no silicons, no SLS, no sulfates, no synthetic dyes, no ales. Is that ALES? I don't know what that stands for, but I read it as ales. I was thinking, why would shampoo have ales in? That's weird. Moving on, it's vegan as well, and yeah, pure coconut water, pure aloe juice. I have been loving these. The only gripe I have with these is the shape of the bottle makes it quite difficult to get the product out. So what I do is I store them upside down in my shower, and it just makes it easier to get the product out. But I love these so much. So as always, I would love it if you would leave me a comment and let me know the things that you have been loving at the moment so I can go and check them out. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next one, guys. Bye!